welcome to MarineMax Rogers. This is one of our first 2026 Nautiques to get into stock. This is the GS24. The GS lineup is your all-around boat. Good for wake surfing, wakeboarding, great ski boat, tubing. Gives you a little bit of everything. One of my favorites. We got the NSS, surf plates. We've got the steer assist in the back. And a lot to show you the interior. Why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard this GS24. First thing I want to point out are these awesome seats in the back. Just hanging out with your buddies and friends, family. We got the nice sea deck walkthrough. Don't have to step on any of your cushions. We've got nice wraparound seating all the way. The bench that comes out. We've got speakers up on the tower, our bimini. Great, very comfortable helm seat. We've got all this great seating around here, and then a nice big bow. JL audio throughout the entire boat. If you're looking for an awesome all-around surf, ski, and wakeboard boat, this is it. It is now here at our Rogers location.